Good morning to all the students of class 6. Students, you have got the topic of your science project. In today's video, I am going to discuss how you will do the project work. Now at first, I would like to mention that you will have to do the project work in your big interleaf binding notebook in which you have done the project of your first term. So the topic for your project is light. Children, now I am going to discuss how you will begin with your project. In the first page, you will have to write your name, roll number, class, section and subject clearly so that at the time of submission of the project, you need to click pictures. So these things need to be properly visible. The things which you write need to be visible. Alright children? So make sure that you write these things clearly and neatly. Now in page number 2, you are going to write the method and the topic. So at first, you are going to write your name, then write roll number, then write class, then section, then the subject of which you are doing the project. So children, this is all about the first page. Now go to the next page. In the next page, you are going to give the heading Formative Assessment. You are going to give the heading Formative Assessment. Then after that, write the method which is case study. After writing the method, you are going to write the topic which is light. So in the second page, you are going to write all this. Now go to the next page. Children, your copy, your big interleaf binding notebook is of this type. That means one side is ruled and the other side is blank. So the writing part you are going to do it in the ruled side and the drawing part you are going to do it in the blank side. So in the blank side you will have to draw the margins. Alright. So now in the third page you are going to write the introduction. So children, the introduction must include the importance of light in your daily life, and you can also write about the property of light, that is the light always travels in a straight line path, that is the rectilinear propagation of light. And after that you may include the luminous and the non-luminous object and also give some examples along with it. Alright. So this is all about the introduction part. Now in page number 4, you are going to give the heading Sources of Light and write the two sources of light. So children, what are the two sources of light you have studied? The natural source and the man-made source or the human-made source. So you are going to write the two sources of light and write one example of each type and draw pictures. So again you are going to write in the ruled side sources of light. Alright. So you are going to write about the two sources. First you are going to write the natural source. Then write about it and give some examples. And after that you are going to write the man-made source and write the example. Man-made source or human-made source you can write, then write the example. Now in the blank side you are going to draw pictures. First draw the picture of a natural source of light. Children, always remember to label the pictures, whatever picture you draw. Then after that you are going to draw the picture of a human made source of light. Then after that, label the picture. Alright. So you are going to write one example of each type of sources of light and then draw the pictures. Now in page 5, give the heading types of materials. Use one page separately for each type of material, that is transparent, translucent and opaque, and state 3 examples of each type. And children, always try to pick examples from your daily life. Then draw pictures. So you are going to give the heading types of materials. You are going to give the heading types of materials. Then first you are going to write transparent material. Then after that, write the definition. You will have to write the definition, define what is transparent material. Then after that, give 3 examples. 1, 2, 3. So these are all the things which you are going to write in the ruled side. Now in the blank side, you are going to draw the margin. Now draw the pictures of each example which you have given. First, draw a picture of the first example, give the labeling. Then again draw the picture of the second example, give the labeling. Now draw the picture of the third example and give the labeling. As I have told you children, try to pick examples from your daily life. Alright. In the same way, you will now go to the next page and write translucent material. You are going to write translucent material. Then after that, you are going to write the definition. You are going to write the definition. Then after writing the definition, as mentioned, you will have to write 3 examples. So you are going to write example 1, you are going to write number 2, you are going to write the example, number 3, write the example. Again draw the margin in the blank side, then draw pictures. First example, this is your example number 1. Next, you will label it. After that, write example number 2. You are going to draw the picture. Then example number 3, you are going to draw the picture, then label it. Okay, always remember to label the pictures whichever you are drawing. Now in the same way, you are going to write for the opaque material also. So you are going to write opaque material, give the heading opaque material, then write the definition first, and after writing the definition, you are going to write the definition. Then after writing definition, you are going to write 3 examples from your daily life. Then after that, in the same way, you are going to draw pictures. Remember to draw the borders or margins for each and every blank page. Alright. So children, I hope you will enjoy doing your project work. And regarding the submission of the project, I would like to mention that whenever you are making the PDF of the project, please mention the name on the PDF. That means the label of the PDF should be by your name. So children, do your project work and submit by making PDF in Google Classroom. Alright children, thank you all of you.